Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people just living as foes. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Oh, mental wounds not healing, life's a bitter shame. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. Let's go. I've listened to preachers, I've listened to fools, I've watched all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live the role. Oh, mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me. You've got to listen to my words, yeah. Where's of a Cold War? That's what we become. Inheriting troubles, I mentally know. Crazy, I just cannot bear. What living with something that just isn't fair. Wow, mental wounds not healing, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. I'm going off the rails of a crazy train. Thank you guys.